Hey everyone, this is fun. This is my LG dishwasher model LDP6797ST. For the last couple hours, it hasn't been working. And what happens is when it says to unplug it, so I did that and reset the breakers and all that. And all I get is three dashes on the screen. However, when I just grabbed my phone to make this video, it's not even doing that anymore. Let's see. Hold on. All right, let's try. I'm gonna plug it in. Normally it says under the sink, but obviously I don't want to keep going under. So if I turn it on, okay, there it is. The three dashes, they flash, they disappear. Online it says to make sure there's a red light under here. I got the red light, so that's good. But nothing can be done. None of the buttons work. Tried holding them down, holding multiple ones down, holding down two at a time. I've tried everything. This is supposed to be a nice dishwasher. If you have any suggestions, please let me know.